In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unpin a post from your Facebook timeline. So I have here a pinned post and it appears on top as you can see here. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to unpin this post, it is simple. Just go over to these three dots here and then tap on them. And under this, you'll see we have this option called unpin post. If you go ahead and tap on it, now the pin will be removed, and as you can see, the post has disappeared. Now if you go ahead and tap on your timeline and then scroll, now you realize the post is no longer appearing on top and pinned on top of your page, but now it has gone back to its original position. So that's how you unpin a post that you had pinned on Facebook. If you enjoyed this video, kindly leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.